How to add area name and area code in VOS3000. Go to Number Management and select Area Information, then click Apply. Now double-click on Import, select the file you want to import. Before clicking OK, just have a look on Text Format of File. Here you should keep area prefix on left side, whereas area name should be on right side. Now go back to VOS3000 and again import your file. Now click Apply, it will take some time. After the settings are applied, click Filter.